Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching MyNextBest yet again with another absolutely smashing gadget. This is the aosu Video Doorbell Ultra. This is the latest model that's available within the brand and it's 4K video doorbell. It's absolutely clear, crisp and smashing. This is kind of the doorbell that's sold. This is kind of the bill and you're going to be taking the cover off, and as you can see this is the doorbell right now, and nice and amazing. The buttons are good. The camera here, as you can see, I've been using this. This is like kind of the video that we've started off with, but you can see the unboxing, you see what's inside the box, you look at the installation, what features are available. Lots of capabilities, feature packed, this specific item, and we can't wait to share it with you guys. At this point, we'd like to thank Team aosu. They've been absolutely brilliant in sending out this unit. This is great. And you guys stay till the end because you've got an amazing discount voucher which is sponsored by aosu and is exclusively available on MyNextBest. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is quite sturdy and well designed, giving it a premium feel right from the start. As we open the box, you find the aosu Video Doorbell Ultra itself neatly packed and protected. The doorbell has substantial feel to it, indicating its high quality build. Along with the doorbell, we find a mounting bracket, a screwdriver, and some installation screws. These tools are included to make the installation process as easy as possible. There's also a user manual that provides clear instructions for setup and installation. Looking at the design, the aosu Video Doorbell Ultra has a sleek and modern look. It's compact and should blend well with most of the home exteriors. The doorbell is designed to be weather resistant, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. The button is prominently placed and easy to press, and there's a camera lens at the top with a motion sensor. Now let's talk about the features in detail. This doorbell camera boasts a 5 megapixel Ultra HD camera, providing clear and detailed video. This high resolution ensures that you can see every detail clearly, even at a distance. Whether it's a delivery person or an unexpected visitor, you'll be able to clearly see who's at your door. In our testing, we've seen the camera reproduce images from a distance, and you can adjust and tweak that, SD and Ultra HD, like you can toggle between the two, and it gives out really clear and crispy images. The aosu Video Doorbell Ultra offers triple motion detection to minimize false alerts. This means it uses 3 different types of sensors to accurately detect movement, reducing the chances of false alarms caused by pets, shadows, or other non-human objects. This feature ensures that you can only get alerts that are important to you and where there's actually really an activity at your door and nothing else. The doorbell supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. This dual-band Wi-Fi support can help avoid signal interference and provide more stable connection for video transmission. The aosu Video Doorbell Ultra has a long battery life, lasting about 180 days on a single charge. This means less frequent charging and more consistent protection of your home. You can also connect it to your main supply, so that's also additionally supported, so you don't really have to worry about charging, discharging. It does really connect. So there's options available, you can choose whichever works for you. The doorbell integrates well with smart home systems, supporting both Alexa and Google Home Assistant. This allows you to control the doorbell with voice commands and integrate it with your existing smart home routines. Setting up the aosu Video Doorbell Ultra is quite straightforward. The user manual provides clear instructions, and the process involves mounting the doorbell, connecting it to your home Wi-Fi and setting it up through the aosu app. The app walks you through the setup process step by step, making it easy for those who are not tech savvy.
Please scan the QR code on the device or home base with your phone. Please use the device to scan the QR code on your phone until the device emits a tone.
In terms of performance, the aosu Video Doorbell Ultra does not disappoint at all. The video quality is excellent, with clear image and smooth playback of your video footage.
Save setting successfully.
The motion detection is accurate, quickly alerting you when there's activity on the door, so you can also set up thumbnails and alerts and toggle between the two if you need to. The doorbell also integrates with smart home systems, as we mentioned earlier. It supports both Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control it with simple voice commands. In conclusion, the aosu Video Doorbell Ultra is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security. With its high quality video, advanced features and easy setup, it offers great value for money.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sticking with us for this long. We've covered a number of things on this video, and there's a lot more to be offered as you obviously go along looking at this product, buying this product and using it for your usability within your home, your office, or wherever else you'd want to use it. But yeah, it's time for some reward, and there's a discount code that's customized for our channel, by our channel, and is one that you can use to get a flat 15% discount on anything that you buy from aosu. All you need to do is choose the item of your liking, put it on your card, and then just use the discount code, and off you go, 15% slashed from the purchase price. And you can do that multiple times for multiple devices that you want to buy, or you can put everything in your card and then get a flat 15% off on that. So it's a discount that is essentially coming to us. That's kind of our earning, and that's essentially that would keep the lights on.
You can also head to the comments section and check out the pinned comment. Remember, it's exclusively available through our channel, so don't forget to subscribe. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you've got any questions or queries, you know what to do. Take care and see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.